Be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Prime Minister Imran Khan is only partly correct in his assertion that the revelations by the UK-based firm, Broadsheet LLC, expose the massive scale of our ruling elites corruption and money laundering full stop. The interview given by the company's owner, Kaveh Musavi, to a YouTube news channel also reveals the shame that has been the exercise of accountability in Pakistan full stop. Mr. Musavi has made a number of assertions in his interview full stop. New paragraph. Among these is that an individual purporting to be former Premier Nawaz Sharif's nephew offered Broadsheet a $25 million bribe to drop the probe into the Sharif family's assets full stop. Mr. Musavi also claimed to possess proof of corruption against a number of other Pakistanis full stop. Mr. Khan has formed an interministerial committee to look into the matter and make the names of the individuals public full stop. New paragraph. Whatever the merits of Mr. Musavi's claims, and some of them seem scarcely credible, he certainly appears to be a publicity seeker full stop. Otherwise, why stirred the pot after so long? Question mark. After all, it was back in 2000 that Broadsheet was hired by General Musharraf's government to work with the newly set up NAB to track down Pakistani's ill-gotten wealth stashed overseas, The contract was terminated in 2003 full stop. Perhaps he is also hoping for a similar arrangement with the PTI government full stop. New paragraph. Certainly, probing white collar corruption and money laundering is a laudable aim full stop. Done with integrity, it strengthens institutions, improves governance and bolsters the citizens' faith in the justice system full stop. But when accountability is done selectively, giving some the benefit of the doubt while proceeding full throttle against others on thin evidence, if any at all, it corrodes the system still further full stop. That unfortunately is the kind of accountability we have been witness to in Pakistan for decades full stop. New paragraph. It is this country's misfortune that, under NAB, accountability has become a handmaiden to political expediency and short-term gains full stop. Among Mr. Musavi's claims, the least startling are the ones about how NAB dropped investigations into high-profile corruption suspects after deals were struck with them, or took them off its list of targets if those individuals came back into political favor full stop. 4 comma, despite all the clamor in the lead up to the 2018 election about bringing the corrupt to book, comma, accountability under the PTI appears a lot like it did before dash a political witch hunt, full stop. Some credible exposes have oddly enough not even merited an inquiry by NAB, full stop. New paragraph. No less than the Supreme Court has assailed the organization for its blatantly biased approach, comma, noting that it inverted comma start seems reluctant in proceeding against people on one side of the political divide, even in respect of financial scams of massive proportion, while those on the other side are being arrested and incarcerated for months and years without providing any sufficient cause, inverted comma close, full stop. Despite this, comma, NAB continues as before, comma, trampling on constitutional rights without any apparent fear of itself being held to account, full stop.